Hello friends, welcome back to EduFavorite channel. आज मैं वीडियो रे इंडियन पॉलिटी सीरीज रो थर्ड चैप्टर यूनियन एंड इट्स टेरिटरी रिलेटेड जहाँ भी इंपोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज अच्छी ताकू डिस्कशन करिया जोड़े कि आपनकर अपकमिंग ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस प्रीलिम एग्जाम एवं अन्य एग्जाम पे बहुत यूजफुल हबो। तो वीडियो टू सेशन देखंतु चलो वीडियो टू स्टार्ट करिवा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिस्क्राइब्स इंडिया एज ए यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट्स इन आर्टिकल। तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन A, that is article 1. Okay, next question, under which article of the constitution parliament can create a new state? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन B, that is article 3. next question, who among the following was not a member of the states reorganization commission appointed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन A, that is Putti Sriramulu. Okay, next question, the Constitution of India divided the states of India in categories A, B, C and D in the year 1950. In this context, which of the following statement is correct? So here right answer होची आपनकर option B. The governor was the executive head of category A states. The Raj Pramukh was the executive head of category B states. The chief commissioner was the executive head of categories C and D states. Okay, next question, the Parliament of India passed the States Reorganization Act in 1956 to create. The right answer होची आपनकर option D, that is 14 states and 6 union territories. The states of the Indian Union can be reorganized or the boundaries altered by. The right answer होची आपनकर option B, the Union Parliament by a simple majority in the ordinary process of legislation. Okay. Next question, who recommended formation of unilingual state of Punjab for the Punjabi speaking people? So here right answer होची आपनकर option A, that is Shah Commission. Which of the following are recommendations of the Faisal Ali Commission? तो ऑप्शन रे अछि 1 रे अछि it accepted language as basis of reorganization. 2 रे अछि it created 16 states. It rejected one language one state from premise. तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन D, that is all of the above. Okay, all of the statements are correct or are one of the recommendations of Faisal Ali Commission. Next question, which of the following are known as linguistic provinces commission? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन C, that is 2 and 3. Dhar Commission and JVP Commission. Okay, these are known as the Linguistic Provinces Commission. Next question, by which constitutional amendment Sikkim became a new state in the Indian Union? So here right answer होची आपन option D, that is 36th Constitutional Amendment Act 1975. The list of states and union territories are specified in which schedule of Indian Constitution? So here right answer होची आपन option B, that is first schedule. Okay, next question, Andhra Pradesh was created as a linguistic state in. Right answer होची आपन option B, that is 1953. Which state was established as the 15th state of independent India? So here right answer होची आपन option C, that is Gujarat. Next question, Article 3 authorize the Parliament to. So here right answer होची आपन option F, that is all of the above. Okay, form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting two or more states or parts of states or by uniting any territory to a part of any state, increase the area of any state, diminish the area of any state, alter the boundaries of any state, alter the name of any state. Okay, so the right answer होची आपन option F, all of the above. Next question, what is the correct chronological order of creation of Assam, Nagaland, Goa and Mizoram? तो correct chronological order होची आपनकर option A, that is Assam, then Nagaland, Mizoram and then Goa. Next question, in which year Goa was declared as India's 25th state? तो here right answer होची आपन option D, that is 1987. In which year Manipur and Tripura became full-fledged state of India? The right answer is option B, that is 1972. Next question, which among the following formed as 22nd state of Indian Union. तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन ए, that is Sikkim. Next question, when was Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh declared as Union Territory of India? Okay, तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन 31st October 2019 डे. Under Article 1 of Indian Constitution, the territory of India shall comprises of. तो ये right answer होची आपन option D, that is all of the above: state territories, union territories, other territories as may be acquired. Okay, this is the end of the question. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.